Hello students, welcome back to the class. So today we will be starting the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the topic is Qbasic. So before starting the main topic Qbasic, we have to understand the introduction. That means why we use such languages like machine language, assembly language and high level language. What is the need of that, and also what is it? That means definitions of machine language, assembly and high level. I want to tell you one thing, that QBasic is a high level language. Why it is named so and what is the work procedure, that we will see it later. Let's come to the topic. First of all, we all know that why we use language or some communicative programming language in time of giving some instruction to the computer, because whenever we are trying to instruct the computer, we need to understand the language of it. Now, language of computer is always machine language, that means binary, which comprises of 0 and 1. It does not understand any kind of assembly language or any kind of high level language. So giving instructions in zeros and ones, it is difficult for us to remember all the things. So what we do, we use assembly language or high level language, because these instructions will be easy to understand by an user. That's why we use this kind of languages. And yes, this assembly language and high level language is not the language of computer, so that computer does not understand these languages. What is the procedure? High level language and assembly language, whatever the language is in which we are giving the instructions, that are converted to machine language so that the computer can understand. So this is the communication procedure. We have to have some knowledge about languages so that we can give the instructions. Okay, so now let's start with the class. So as I have told you that we can classify the language into three types, that is machine language, assembly and high level. So first topic is machine language. I have already discussed that machine language is something which computer can understand. That means it is only comprises of zeros and ones, which computer can understand. As it is related to the machine, that's why the name is machine language. Next is assembly language. Assembly language is the mid-level language. That means it is not like high-level language, which is almost English-like, and it is not like machine language as well. So we use some mnemonics like move, add, ld. That means some commands we use, and user has to understand and remember the instructions, these commands, so that they can give the instruction to the computer. So that is, we can say, mid-level language. Okay. Next is high level language, which is Qbasic, and also we have others like C, C++, Java, Pascal, Fortran, and also we know that Python is there, and many more. So what is high level language? High level language is the most user friendly language. Why? Because it is almost like English, and it is easy to understand, it is easy to remember as well. So, but the high level language, as I have said, that it is not the language of machine. That means machine does not understand anything. So we use some converters, or we can say some compilers or interpreters, so that the high level language is converted to machine language, and after that machine can understand. And also machine, our computer produces the output in low level language, that is machine language, but it is difficult to understand for an user. So what happens? The output, which is in machine language, it is converted to high level language, and then it is shown to the user so that we can understand easily. Okay, so now in this chapter we are going to learn about Qbasic, and we are going to use the QB64 compiler to give the instructions. This is a type of high level language, and we will start with this. And this is introduction to Qbasic. All these informations are there in your book. So how to download it? We have to simply come to the website of Qbasic 64, that is Qb64.org, www.qb64.org. You go to that link, and then you select the perfect option. That is, if you are using Windows, you have to select that, and then you have to download the zip file. And after downloading, you will see the application will be there within the folder named Qb64, and from there you can by just double clicking you will be able to use that application. You have to double click on the qb64.exe file. After that, you will be able to understand and you can start using it. So the basic programs, though Qbasic is the type of basic. Okay, basic, the full form of basic is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Again, I'm telling beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, and we have many types of basic programs. It can be GW Basic and Qbasic, but in this chapter or in this class 6, we are going to learn Qbasic. That is quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. If you are using Windows 10, you will be able to use that. Okay, so it is also applicable for Windows 7. So next I'm coming to the application, that is Qb64. I have previously downloaded that. It is easy to download it. How to download it, that maybe I will show it in next video or in the class, DCC class. So let's come to the application, that is Qb64. So this is the window of Qb64, and we are going to learn the basic concept, or we are going to see the basic features. So first we will start with menu bar. We can see here, this is the menu bar. That means file, edit, view, search, run, debug, and etc. This is said to be menu bar. Okay, and where we can write the code, this section is said to be work area. Here we can write the instructions. So that is said to be work area. And if your instructions is absolutely correct, then you will see okay, this is the status of your program. If it is totally okay, then you will see this instruction okay. If there is any error, then the error will be shown in this status area. And the name of your program will be shown in this section. That is, right now it is untitled because I did not save this and I did not give any names. That's why. So quickly I will start how to create the program. That means how you can start a program. So you have to come to file, then you have to come to new, and so that you will be able to open new program. So if you want to save any program, what you have to do, you can come to the file and then you can click on save as, and then you can change the name from here. And after that, you can see the path also. You have to change the file name from here, and then you have to simply press OK. So that's how you can save the program. Okay. And next is how to open it. We all know that you have to come to files and then open option is also there. So you will get the options here. Though I did not save any file, so that it is not showing here. So any files if you have saved previously, you will see the list here. And from here you have to click, select, and then you can open your file. And you have to, at last, you have to press OK also. Alright, so these are the basic things that you can do with Qbasic. And next day we will start the basic concept, programs and everything, and how to download it. Again, I'm sharing the information. That is, you have to come to www.qb64.org. Then you will get a web page, and then from there you have to choose. If you are using Windows, you have to choose it. If you are using Linux or something other things, you have to choose accordingly, and then you have to download the zip file, .zip file, and from there you have to extract the files. After extracting, you will find a folder named Qb64. There you will double click and then you will see the application is there. So just by double clicking on that file, you will be able to start Qb64. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next class. And if you are having any question, tell me in the comment section below and be prepared with the video, and we'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care of your health. Bye bye.